Hi guys, how are you all? I think everyone is well. Today I'm going to show you how to use Upwork for portfolio to show in any job, then get the job. To check this thing, I also ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT show a video that tell how to make a portfolio for Upwork. But I am trying to make a portfolio for any platform to get a data science job. Then I also tell clearly what I am going to show you, and ChatGPT also answer me, but not a clearly answer. So let's start this video. I find a job to make a portfolio, and this is job that I am showing you. This is old job, 3 week old job. Okay, we will use our ChatGPT to make this um, app, Streamlit app. Okay, and I am copying a job title, description, and skills, and I am pasting in uh, prompt txt file. Let's paste this all. It tell me in 5 lines about the job. Okay, let we write a prompt. I writing prompt, but there is some mistakes of my English, but ChatGPT also manage it, and also you ignore it. Okay, and I also enter the prompt. Let's check what it answer. It take many time, and then it answer me. It give me the zip file and folder structure. Let download this file and seeing this file. Okay, okay. It's give me many files of this app, and I am pasting this zip file in this folder, and this is app 12. Okay, and I paste it, and let we open a VS Code and check this file also. Okay, it open. Okay, and this is data set, and this is train model IPYNB notebook. This is our notebook you watching in your screen. Let we copying these libraries and check they work or not. To use these libraries, we need to install these all. Let we install these all libraries. We need a path where is a requirement file is stored. This is folder where is the file path. Let copy the path and paste in the terminal. Okay. Let we install again these are libraries. Libraries are installed. Let's select the environment where I can install the libraries. These are okay. Let's run this. It installing the kernel. By mistake, I installed these libraries in Streamlit environment. We need to install these libraries in Python ML environment. Let's install these libraries in Python ML environment. Before we continue this video, I have a request for you. Please subscribe my channel and set notification on all, and also like this video, and thanks for watching. I activate a environment, and let's set a path. Then we will install libraries. Again we will install libraries. The libraries is installed, but there is a some error. I taken this error and let ask ChatGPT to solve this. Okay, it's give me answer. I think there is a library. Um, I think there is a library which is making problem. Okay, okay. Let paste this. Okay, again paste. It uninstalling scikit-learn, then it will installing scikit-learn. Okay, I think the scikit-learn making the problem. Okay, and also categorical encoders making problem. Let's install this version. Okay, let run this cell, but we need to first restart kernel. There is some issue with the module of features. Let take this error and go to ChatGPT and solve it.